Alright guys, if you watched the last episode, you know we got the baby home. We got her home.
Brittany's new truck.
My new truck. Knox, by the way, asked me the other day, we were going to the grocery, he said, can we take that truck? I said, not yet, buddy. Not yet. We will. We'll do a grocery run in it. This episode, we're just going to take everything out of the truck that's trash. We're going to get rid of the swampy seat, the swampy carpet, all the trash. Take everything off we don't want and get it in the shop. I made Roman clean the shop out so it's nice and clean and ready. Pop a squat, make a list. The parts we need to get this thing running. Like the next video is us getting it, turning the key on.
No. No. That ain't gonna happen.
Okay, give me a list of what it'll take to do that.
Okay. Oh, the window still works good. What you got there?
I don't know.
All them are bushings.
Bushings. They're bushings. What are these? Scrap metal.
Let's hold the gas tank in.
Alright, I think we'll probably need those. What are these?
I'm not sure.
You don't know. Hey, what is this?
That's a distributor cap.
Distributor cap. I need some flashcards.
Don't need that.
Got any more teeth in there I can pull?
No, they're gone.
My dad just told me that we need a 9/16 socket. Ratchet. Socket. What's a socket? And I don't know what it is. Let's see if I can find it.
Foot down on the corner.
This?
Yeah, smash it and then pull that. There you go. And yank her open.
Hey Dad. Welcome to our shop. Got it.
Good.
What do you think? It's clean.
Wow.
We
That would
can
be
dance
nice.
in here. We can dance.
I've always
We
worked
do the
on.
shuffle.
I've always worked out in the grass and the gravel on trucks, so this is gonna be real nice.
Okay, the guy's coming to give me a quote on electric today. Not today, this week. Oh look, is that a socket? That's a socket.
Yep. That's what we need.
I knew that. One of these?
Oh yeah. Big ratchet.
I'll get the small one. 9/16, did they say on them 9/16? This is 5/8. Right? Is that what that means?
5/8. 5/8 of an inch.
And what did you say we needed?
9/16.
So big? Here's 18.
Right there, 9/16.
Okay.
I think we'll need a short one. Short 9/16.
A short 9/16. Like this? It's 9/16! Is that short enough?
Yeah, but it's too small.
It says 9/16. Oh, well, can't you just put on this?
Yeah?
There.
You have to push that in.
There.
All right, I'm going to show you why you want this.
Okay.
Two here, and there's one in the front under here.
You dropped yours. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Should I tighten it or loosen it? Lefty loosey? Wait,
Righty.
do I have to change this? There's no way.
Don't bust your finger.
I can't.
You got more power.
Oh, I did it.
Now, if you got an air tool, you plug in and you zip it out of there.
So is that on the list you're making me?
Well, what's in your toolbox? You got an air gun?
Do we have an air gun? We don't even have electric out here, Dad.
Well,
This is gonna take 1 hour later.
just
Okay, my arms are tired.
It's like a workout. It's like going to the gym, working out.
Yeah, I'm glad I didn't go today. Why is it getting harder? Shouldn't it be getting
Because
easier?
it's rusty. And if we got like oil we can squirt on it, it'll make it easier.
I did it! It actually isn't that rusty inside. There's one.
Not bad.
Now I need to put this in fast mode and do the other ones. You can see the ground.
I couldn't imagine her working on my old truck.
Don't cry on me, Dad.
I'm not gonna
Little
cry.
softy.
I'm not gonna cry.
Not until it starts running. You can cry when it starts running. I might cry when it starts running.
I'll be excited to hear it run. This hasn't ran since me and your mom were in high school.
What year did you graduate?
85. Well, it was probably 86. 85 when it got
The
Last
truck
time
running or the engine?
the engine.
This is going to be so much harder than I thought it would be.
I feel like you can keep this carpet for a little kids area or something.
We shampoo that. That might be all right. Yeah.
This side?
Yep.
It's out. Okay. There's the seat. Should we have it reupholstered?
No. No.
Holy moly. So much space for activities. Now we got a hangout couch. All right, that's all we got done today, guys.
No, we got to get some more done than that.
I'm looking for this that's not rusted. It's wet.
Yeah, that ain't.
I should have gloves on.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Oh, that works good. All
You
right.
just slice it right down the middle there. Make it easier. Watch my finger. Cut my finger off.
Here, I think
Here,
we
let
can
me
just
see
pull it all out.
Yeah, you should be able to just pull it out now.
Well, if you don't have metal out there, do that in the back.
Oh yeah, because he's a scrapper. You know how much you can get for this?
Call it scrappy.
We might have a barrel.
Scrappy!
We might have a barrel full after this project.
Scrappy. Okay, I'm coming out your way. Yay! What is that for?
The seatbelt.
This?
Seatbelt light. That was about the first original safety devices.
We don't need this.
See, I patched this at one time. This was rusted through, and I welded these in, just sprayed some copper paint on it, and
I think it'd be a little too tall. Did I just put it in gear?
out of gear, neutral. It won't go far. Put it in neutral.
Where's neutral?
Just hold it, yeah, right there,
That's neutral?
in the middle. Okay, now, there, that's neutral when it goes side to side.
1, 2.
Low gear would be up, then be like second, third, and then fourth.
That
And then-
actually does something?
I don't know. No, reverse. That's reverse.
Okay, we need to put it in reverse and get it in his barn. I'm gonna power wash some of the mold off. I don't think it's a good idea. I like the mold.
Give it some juice.
everything in the barn. We're gonna use the cat. The only thing we have is a slack line.
I literally just let somebody borrow our tow strap, so we'll see.
We'll see if a slack line will pull a truck.
If that breaks, we can double up. We got 6,000 foot of this.
She's rolling faster than she's gone in 20 years. 30 years, 40 years, I don't know how long. What are you doing with my couch?
Eating it. I'm just thinking if I put this on the skids and use it like as a ram, like a bumper, like a soft. I don't want to damage your baby.
No, you better not. You want some help with that?
No, I got it.
I can get one side.
I got it. You don't know, I'm kind of a genius.
Should I sit there too?
I would not sit there. Yeah, you can just go like this.
I'll just hold on to it.
It's perfect.
Here she comes. And she's home.
That'll work.
Perfect. Oh, we got some rocks. To open the hood right now, gotta use a screwdriver.
Good. They're hard.
Shove it in there hard.
There you go. Ready?
Woo!
All right, what else needs to go in here?
That's how you're gonna be building it the whole time?
Yeah, I'm just gonna sit right here.
That's amazing how big these things are.
I think we're out of washer fluid.
It probably still works.
Is this washer fluid?
Mm-hmm.
I just know my stuff.
Your roadside jack. Uh-oh. See what the mice did?
Actually need a list of parts that we need.
That's gonna take an evening.
Yeah, where do we start? Seriously. What's the first thing? We have the engine, right?
We gotta make sure it runs.
We gotta make sure the engine runs.
I think we need to do that first.
And what do we need to do that?
Battery.
Okay, I got a battery out there in that old Mustang. What about my G-Wagon battery?
No.
You ain't got a G-Wagon.
I know, it's in the shop. Alright, well, we're gonna get a battery.
We'll get a battery. Make sure the
This looks so funny with your feet on one side. Your feet down here and your body up here.
But to make sure the starter works, get it working.
Do you have the keys?
No.
Use a screwdriver for that?
No, the key actually works. Should.
Dang. Why is there duct tape on this and it's spray painted?
So the mice wouldn't get in.
Oh. Okay, but why is there spray paint on the duct tape?
I don't know.
Alright guys, coming from the... Wait, we have to name it.
It's Thirst Trap. I'm telling you, the name is Thirst Trap.
Dad, do you know what thirst trap means?
Mm-mm. No.
That's what this truck is. It's a thirst trap.
What's
Thirst for money?
Vote in the comments. What's the name of the truck?
I like Scrappy.
Dusty?
I like
Rusty?
Thirst Trap. Only because I can see a t-shirt with this truck on it that says Thirst Trap, which is polar opposite of Thirst Trap, which makes it funny, makes it relatable.
Yeah, thirst trap is like you're hot and you're taking pictures because you want attention.
Yeah, that's what this truck is hot. It wants attention.
Oh,
Gimme.
we're gonna make it. We're gonna make
That's
it
what I'm
hot.
saying. It's the perfect name.
Thirst
All right.
trap. All right.
Hang on, let them vote.
We'll let you vote.
All right.
It needs attention.
It needs a lot of attention.
Guys, thanks so much for being here. Truly means the world to us that you're coming on this journey of this. Rusty, Dusty, Thirst Trap, whatever you want to call her. we're gonna get it running and we're gonna try and drive it. Dad has to literally teach me how to drive it because I don't know how to do a stick shift.
It's easy.
And then we're gonna enter in some burnout comps, some drag racing, and then get on our next project. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.